YouTube, it is your girl Marcy to be back with another video. And you know how that old song used to go, a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. I'm sorry, I try to be positive, but I just cannot sugarcoat this video this time. I am just not feeling this hair. So the hair that I have installed is the Bobbi B Brazilian Crimp curl. I have it in the 12 inch. It comes 12 inch and 18 inches. And when I saw this hair getting ready to come out, I got like really excited because I have been bitching about crochet braids. Ain't nothing new in crochet braids. Same curl pattern, different name. And then they came out. I saw this coming out. And I was like, oh, a little something different, crimp curl. This is copying the 3-prong curl. So, a little something different, little different curl pattern. Lots of nice colors. I always like Bobbi B's hair. But I have had this hair in for a week now. I'm telling you, this is the best this hair has looked in a week. I am like totally not satisfied with this curl pattern. Now you might be out there thinking, well, it don't look that bad. What's she talking about? Well, I'm gonna tell you, to me it looked like witchy hair. It's like stringy. It's stringy. Either be curly, be wavy, be straight, but don't be stringy. I don't like stringy hair. It's like the ends, they just, look at this. The ends just kind of like stick out. And okay, I have used spray, have put a little oil on it. I even, like at night, I have been, doing my routine. I even tried to twist the hair up at night to see if that did not, believe me, that did not hit. That actually made it look a little worse. It was moisture. Like the best thing you can do, I'm gonna tell you, if you decide, I mean, somebody might like this curl pattern. They might like the hair kind of loose and stringy like this. But to get this hair looking like the best I could get it to look was just to like bend over like this and fluff the hair all up to the front, and then put my bonnet on it, and then in the morning, get up and kind of try to fluff it out to make it look halfway decent. But this is it. This is the best I think this hair is gonna look. So I'm here for y'all. I even thought about trying to see what this hair looked like in the 18 inch, buying some of that, maybe in a darker color. But I was like, I ain't gonna spend my little hard-earned ducats on an 18 inch, and then I get that and install it, and it look like this, except longer. So I'm sorry, y'all, I can't do it this time. If anybody out there has purchase this hair in the 12 or the 18, please post a comment down below or on our Facebook group and let us know what you think about this hair. I would love to hear someone else's opinion. This curl pattern it's not happening, man. It's just not happening. And the fact that they didn't even put a model on the stock card modeling the hair, that might tell you something. That will do it for my review of the Bobbi Boss Crimp Curl 12 inches. Let me know what you think. Post any questions or comments below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will probably be taking their hair out today and be back with another video with some new hair next weekend. But we's out for now, YouTube. You know what I always say before I go. Be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.